recording.
Hey y'all, we are in Cherokee, North Carolina this morning. We're going to make us a right turn up here and jump on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I have Roland behind me on a Triumph 400. And I don't know who these racers are in front of us. But let's just hope they go to Gatlinburg. We're hoping. Yeah, they're going to Gatlinburg or somewhere else. But we're going to make us a right-hand turn on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Great Smoky Mountains National Park is not where we want to go. I can't remember the last time I've been up here. I will tell you that it was before COVID. And it's a shame that I live this close to the Blue Ridge Parkway and I don't ride it more. But it does take about an hour to get here. We're headed to the Pisgah Inn today. We don't have reservations for lunch, but hopefully they'll seat us. Fingers crossed. Because I am in the mood for a French onion soup, even if it does cost me $12 for a bowl. I might be able to afford it in a couple years if you can get some of your friends to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button. If you would just hit that thumbs up button and watch some of my videos all the way through, that would help me out immensely. YouTube does not pay like it used to. It'd be cool if you could just get people to log into your channel and watch all your videos. Just when you leave in the morning to go to work, just leave your computer open with my videos playing in the background. If you did that for a couple days, I might make 3 or 4 cents. But we have about 80 miles to go to get to the Pisgah Inn, and I feel like my Senna battery is not going to last that long. Ugh. Hindsight, I should have brought another camera. That way when this battery dies, I could put it on the charger and then just turn on the second camera, or even a third camera. Now that I have 4 Senna cameras, nobody needs 4 Senna cameras. So far, the traffic has not been terrible this morning getting here. We gotten a little bit of traffic in the Nantahala Gorge. And there's a little bit of traffic around Bryson City, but that was about it. It was nice. We hung out at the Shell station there in Cherokee for a little bit. Had a Red Bull and it was a honey bun. I'm gonna say it was a Hostess honey bun. It was all right. Those people are using their brakes too much. You can smell it. And today's June 16th. And my temperature gauge has pretty much stayed at 61 degrees all morning. It's 10:15 right now, and we're still at 61 degrees. And yes, 61 degrees is kind of cold. Where are they from? Does that say Indiana? I'm going to say that their tag reads Indiana. It's their first time in North Carolina. They haven't learned that you stay off the yellow line. It's either that or they're pretending like they're locals. I'm surprised they don't treat the yellow line like it's a slot car. You pay taxes on half the road, might as well take it out of the middle. They also need to get their catalytic converter serviced. So if you know the people from Indiana with license tag 44